Padres. Derek Lee hits this one well to right field. Way back it goes. Caught. Home run, Derek Lee. His fourth with the Pirates. And it is 3-1.
Derek Lee certainly brings a different dimension to our lineup when he is in there.
He had 12 home runs with the Orioles, now 4 here with the Bucks. And that's his first home run not against the Cubs.
He got a fastball, looked like it was maybe outside half. Went with it, and even off the bat, there was no doubt that ball had plenty to get over the Clemente wall.